You don't need a whole team to build powerful AI systems. You can build them yourself. This is AI for your work, a channel about using AI orchestration to do real professional work. Build more, hire less. If you are a solo founder, a freelancer, or an independent professional, AI for your work teaches practical, hands-on AI orchestration, not toy demos, but actual systems that solve actual problems. From foundational orchestration patterns to applications across cybersecurity, finance, and content creation, every series is built on real industry experience. The code is on GitHub. The explanations are honest. The goal is to leave you genuinely capable, not just informed. Learn more at our website, aiforyourwork.net. Subscribe to follow along. Let's build